Arduino is a very popular and inexpensive development board. With a large community and many available libraries, it also supports numerous shields. These are boards that plug into the Arduino to add extra features. However, I have never seen a shield that turns the Arduino into an inverter. In this video, I will design such a shield and share it with you. This shield can turn an Arduino into a small inverter with a power output of around 300 volts amps. If you're only using about 150 watts, you may not even need a cooling fan. It's ideal for compact projects or for learning and experimentation purposes. Many thanks to JLCPCB for sponsoring the PCB for this project. Since discovering JLCPCB, all of my projects have become much easier. It only takes about a week and costs just a few dollars to get high-quality PCBs for your designs. They are also very generous, often offering discount codes worth up to hundreds of dollars. Ordering is simple. Just register an account using the link in the description below, then upload your Gerber files. Use the 3D viewer to check for any PCB errors and place your order. For this project, the PCB only cost me $2, with $1.50 for shipping. That's incredibly cheap, even less than a cup of coffee. I designed this shield using 100% through-hole components. Through-hole parts are easier to source and assemble compared to surface mount components. Anyone can build it, even beginners. All component values are clearly printed on the PCB. Just follow the markings during assembly, and it will work on the very first try. This circuit uses very few external components, but I must emphasize one important point. You need to use genuine components. If you use counterfeit parts, the circuit may operate unstably or overheat. After soldering, you should use acetone to remove excess flux. You can also use alcohol or gasoline to clean the PCB. The heart of the inverter is an Arduino Uno board. You can use a low-cost Arduino, it will still work well and be fully compatible. I'm using a cheap Arduino board from China, which costs only around $3. The transformer used in this circuit is a single transformer with one primary and one secondary winding. The primary voltage is 7 volts and the secondary is 220 volts. The 220 volts output is filtered using a 2.5 microfarad capacitor. If everything is assembled correctly, once you supply 12 volt to the circuit, you will get a 220 volt sine wave at the output. The waveform is very clean, even better than the mains in many cases. Good luck and wish you success!